My throat has been on fire.
Anyone for a pot G? Send a Telehill and clerics specifically.
Aftermath cothing a bunch of people up here. They cothing replacements.
And Pop?
I don't see Lady Neff.
No, it's
Nope,
not.
not up.
And
They do have a
Never
bunch of
play
people here.
Misfire.
Detox here.
How many people they have?
Oh, they have a bunch.
They have
No.
at least 4 up here.
Oh, it'd be awesome if it spawned right now. Roll that fraps.
Are they camping?
I have no idea.
Because hopefully
Mages
they're not.
Mages keep watching for Nav.
Yeah. Hopefully they're not coughing to camp.
Well, Detox is out of the fight now. He probably got accidentally coughed. And he's like, I guess I just have to camp.
well, save those fraps just in case.
No, he cannot just go up there and camp.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.